Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of Teaching Bot, my capstone project for the Kaggle Google Generative AI 5 days intensive course. So this is an AI powered tutor that reads any document and explains the concepts to you just like a real teacher. So first, I just installed whatever is required, whatever libraries is required, like LangChain, ChromaDB, Gemini to power the document understanding and LLM based question answering. So now let's just import them. It's all the same, like GenAI, ChromaDB, LangGraph, everything. Okay, so and then we use Google API key. So I've used Kaggle's add-ons, secrets, and make sure that you have checked in this as well. So to create a client of using our secret Google API key, so next is our Gemini embedding function. So what happens here is whatever document we are uploading, we try to convert it into embeddings. So I'm using the Gemini's text embedding 004 model. Yeah. So now, instead of uploading a document for the ease in a notebook, so I've just given it as a string here. Whereas I have also added a Hugging Face Spaces link to this, wherein you can upload a document and task the bot. So here we are just giving it as a string. And then we are using ChromaDB to store all the embeddings. So whatever string which we have given will be sent to Gemini embedding function. The embeddings will be created and those will be stored in the ChromaDB. So let's run this as well. Yeah. So next is our LangGraph. So what I'm doing is I have a bot. So once started, it looks for whether you have uploaded a document or not. So the main purpose of this agent is to work on any given document. So it doesn't make any sense if you have not uploaded a document. So you have two states. One that just says please upload a document before asking questions. The other one, what it does is it compares your question with the existing embeddings in the DB, and whatever information is matched, it sends all those information along with a prompt to Gemini model. So I've used Gemini 2.0 Flash, and this is my prompt. So which says that you are an AI powered teaching assistant designed to help users learn from documents they upload. So here I've mentioned that you can have two modes, lesson mode and quiz mode. So in the lesson mode, it explains the topic in depth. So whatever module which you're asking, it could be like you've uploaded a textbook and you're expecting it to teach you the first module. And after each module is done, it will ask you a few questions to test your understanding on that module. So I've just given a few instructions to it. Like if the user just says, let's start with chapter 1, it is implied that you're going to teach it and not like, you won't ask it like, should I teach you or should I ask you questions? So some explicit prompts I've given so to make it give us the desired output. So let's run this. And this is also a stateful model because we have used the LangGraph states, right? So it also stores the history, conversation history. So like after a point, if you go and ask it like, tell me what and all we have learned and what and all are left in the book, it will be able to tell because it is storing all your responses. Okay, I'll just give you a short visualization of the graph. So this is how the graph looks. So you start. So from start, it might go to answer or no doc. And when the user gives Q from here, from anywhere, it can end up at end. So it stays at answer for a long time or at no doc for a long time. So now let's just test this. Okay, so it's just telling I'm your teach bot. Ask me anything about the document. Else type Q to quit. So I'm just giving it like teach me module 1. So it runs. Let's dive into module 1. Introduction to artificial intelligence. Think of AI. What is AI? It's a field. So it gives you all the explanation. So now it is asking whether I have any questions, if I have any doubts. Or can we move on to the next chapter? Or would you like to test your knowledge on this, what we have learned? So let's test. Oh, okay. Which of the following is the best? Okay, I'm just giving is B correct. I didn't read the question. So it tells next C is the correct answer and YC is correct answer and B is incorrect. So now you can either go to the next question or you can tell it to continue chapter 2. Or just quit. So that's it.